In this section, we are going to create the admin's homepage or the homepage for the backend of our web application. Uh, the admin's homepage allows the company staff or managers to manage books, categories, customers, reviews, and orders. And here's our task list in this section. We create the admin homepage and create admin home sublet, uh, create admin header, and create admin footer. This is the structure of a page in the backend of our bookstore website application. You see, similarly to the front end, a page in the backend consists of the header, the main content or detailed content, and the footer. The header displays the logo, a welcome message to the logged in user, and